Okay. Hello dear students. Once again, a very good morning to you all. In today's class, I teach you nested conditionals from Python. But first I revise whatever I taught in my last classes. Since many classes we have been discussing about conditional execution in Python. Conditional execution in Python means executing certain statements based on certain condition. Or to skip. If the condition is true, we execute, otherwise we skip. That is what conditional execution. Already we studied simple conditional execution. If the condition is true, then only machine follows true block, otherwise no choice at all. That's why we call it as one way. Afterwards we studied alternative execution. Alternative execution means if the condition is true, true block works, otherwise false block. There we will be having two choices. One of them works. That's why we called it as two-way. We looked at syntax and many examples and explanation and everything. As well as in the last class I taught you chained conditionals, which is similar to else if ladder. If else used only in the else part of the previous else. If else. That is multi-way. We select one from the many. That is what we studied. We looked at examples also. In today's class I teach you simple one, nested conditionals. What is it? That one I teach you. In C language we learnt nested if no. In if only if we use if. In if only if we use if or if else. That is what we call nested if. In C language we call nested if, but in Python we call nested conditionals. Okay. Look at the example. Before looking at the example, here I have explained. In this type we use if or if else. We use if or if else. We use if or if else within one another. So it is called as nested conditionals. It helps us to select one of the many. So it is called as multi-way. Okay, very good. See the syntax. See here. This is if else. Yeah, it is true. It is if else. In if only, one more if else has been used. That's what is called as nested if. You can use this if else in else part also. No problem. Or in this if you can use only simple if, no problem, instead of if else. Totally you need to remember one thing. In if you use one more if, or in else if you use one more if else. In the if part or in else part. This is what we call nested if. Now here we have three possibilities. We have how many choices? Three. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. But machine will not execute all the three. Machine follows one of them. I explained the first possibility. Let us assume the computer will check the first condition for true or false. Assume that true. Oh, true. Okay. Machine will check the second condition for true or false. Oh, true. First is also true. So it is checking second one for true or false. Second is also true. Then machine follows true block of statement 1. Whatever you are typed here, machine will follow. Afterwards remaining statements. This is one possibility. One more possibility. First one is true. First one is true. Then second one will be checked by machine. But second is false. Oh my god. First is true. So machine is checking second. Second is false. Second is false. Then true block statement 2 works. Then statements, remaining statements. Second possibility. Third possibility. First one is false. First one is false. Machine will not check it. First one only false. It will come to this else part. Then true block of statement 3 works, followed by statements. This is what the syntax for nested conditionals. You can nest like this within one another, as many as you wish. No problem at all. I think you understood. And this indentation is must. If you want to give this indentation, error occurs. See here. Here one tab gap is there, again colon, again tab gap is here, else in the same line of this if, this else belongs to this if, so in the same line, this line is okay, and these are not related to this nested conditionals. That's what tab gap is very important. I hope you understood. Very good. Look at the example. Here simple example is there for this. What is that? Once again the same problem. What is that? Write Python script to find largest of three numbers. Oh, once again the same problem. but you need to use nested conditional statement. Oh, understood. We need to use different. Again we need three numbers, 1 2 3. Now three possibilities are there, four possibilities. How many possibilities? Four. Largest number might be n1 or n3 or n2 or n3. Your interview is going on and interviewer is asking you the question, between n1, n2 and n3 which one is the largest? Candidate is giving clever answer. Sir, my first answer is that, assume sir, n1 is greater than n2. Sir, assume please n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3 also. Then definitely n1 will be the largest. Oh, correct. n1 is greater than n2. True. n1 is greater than n3. True. n1 prints. Then thank you. I hope you understood. Second possibility, sir. n1 is greater than n2. But n1 is not greater than n3. Understood, sir? n1 is greater than n2. n1 is not greater than n3. Then which one will be the largest? n3. Again, thank you. Second possibility. Sir, third possibility. n1 is greater than n2. No. n1 is not greater than n2. n1 is not greater than n2. Then n2 will be greater. Then it will come to else part. n1 is greater than n2. No. n2 is greater than n3. Yes. Then n2 is greater. Third possibility. One more possibility. n1 is greater than n2. No. No means n2 is greater. n2 is greater than n3. No. Then which one is greater? n3 is greater. Thank you. This is what in if we use if else. In the else also if else has been used. That's of four possibilities. We select one of them. I hope you understood. See the output 1 3 2. Once again I am getting 3. Thank you. I hope you understood. And same program I have written and I will run and I will show you. Okay. See here I have written a program. First I have written a comment. Python script to find largest of three numbers using nested conditional statement. I am reading n1, I am reading n2, I am reading n3. n1 is greater than n2. Yes. n1 is greater than n3. Yes. n1 will be printed. Thank you. n1 is greater than n2. Yes. n1 is greater than n3. No. n3 will be printed. Okay. Thank you. n1 is greater than n2. No. n2 is greater than n3. Yes. n2 will be printed. Okay. Very good. n1 is greater than n2. No. n2 is greater than n3. No. n3 prints. Thank you. I hope you understood. Okay. Just revise the video lecture to understand it once again. And in my notes also I have typed the same thing. What is that? My notes is nothing, very simple. Nested if else or nested conditionals. Programmers can use if and if else within one another. That is what we call nested conditionals, to select one from many. In the if, one more if both are true, block 1 first is true, second is false, block 2 first is false, block 3 statement X. Whatever I explained is more than whatever I have given. Like that only it happens with you in examination. If more content is there in your mind, definitely write more and you get good marks in examination. I hope you understood. Same program whichever I have executed and shown, same program I have written in my notes. I read three numbers. n1 is greater than n2, n1 is greater than n3, n1 is largest, or n3, whatever I explained just only. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. In the next class, I teach you recursion or recursive function. Okay, till then, take care. Have a nice day. Be alert because of Corona. Okay, thank you. All my dear students for listening to me with concentration. Send the replies. Thank you.